We are in Crash Boat. So it's nice out here today. It's beautiful. We're having drinks. Hey girls, where we at? Crash Boat. I'm gonna finish this drink and I'm gonna get a pincho for real. Hi everybody on there. We're Crash Boat chilling. It's beautiful, hot.
They're probably done.
You think so? Why? Wanna walk that way? Look at. It's okay.
For like what?
There's a lot of euros.
Euros. Oh.
I know it.
I thought you were the people.
You come to Puerto Rico, come to Crash Boat. It's a must.
Look at that one though. There's like an umbrella over there, but it's... That's a public umbrella. See it? Yeah.
Who the hell are you? And you?
Olo, you want to go sit on
And
that
me.
umbrella?
No. Where?
That one.
I think you have.